It has been observed that there are a few teas which can calm the digestive machine down and relieve human beings of belly pain. However, you should usually seek advice from a medical doctor earlier than attempting out any of those tea remedies. This is because, first, you should recognize the motive for the pain in your belly, and second, you should recognize if any of those teas would possibly have an effect on the body in a bad way. These stomach-friendly teas use common herbs such as ginger, peppermint, chamomile, spearmint, basil, and licorice, all of which have medicinal properties that soothe the stomach. Find out which tea is beneficial to the stomach in what ways and helps your stomach stay healthy. 1. Ginger tea. Ginger has been used as a medicine for thousands of years now. Known for its amazing properties that help a person with digestion, stomach upset, heartburn, nausea, and motion sickness, the advantages of ginger aren't limited to the digestive gadget alone. It additionally facilitates someone from cough and cold, balances blood sugar levels, and relieves someone from pain. If you're tormented by stomach gas, irritable bowel syndrome, or an upset stomach due to any of the above digestion issues, ginger can relieve you. A cup of ginger tea is all you need when after a bad meal. 2. Chamomile tea. Chamomile has been rated as one of the most popular herbs in the world, and this is due to its antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, and carminative properties. The properties of this herb work together to soothe the stomach. Chamomile relieves a person from an upset stomach, stomach cramps, indigestion, abdominal gas, and irritable bowel syndrome effectively. A cup of chamomile tea can help your stomach rest a while very peacefully. 3. Basil tea. Basil is a herb that has been extensively used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years now. Basil effectively treats an upset stomach, helps with stomach spasms, and relieves a person from abdominal gas. This herb is also useful to treat colds and relieve coughs. A cup of basil tea will significantly reduce bloating and abdominal cramps, and give you an instant refreshment. 4. Licorice tea. Often, you are not sure if you are suffering from a stomach ulcer, and when you find out that you are, you tend to freak out. If the ulcers are tiny and you are still in the first stage, it is advisable to have licorice tea. Licorice has properties that can relieve a person from stomach ulcers and painful conditions. Licorice root is known to protect a person from abdominal pain. Indigestion and bloating are caused by ulcers, as it has the ability to protect the cells that line the walls of the stomach. 5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint is another herb that has stood the test of time due to its amazing medicinal properties. The leaf and oil of peppermint have been used traditionally for ages, as they can settle the stomach by improving the flow of bile and by calming the muscles. Peppermint has also proved to be helpful in treating nausea, abdominal gas, menstrual cramps, and almost all type of stomach ailments. 6. Green tea. While all the herbs steal the limelight together, green tea makes a silent entry to the domain of treating an unhealthy stomach. Green tea has proved to be extremely helpful in treating bloating and abdominal gas. It has a slightly higher caffeine content than other herbal teas and can sometimes cause stomach upset. However, this does not negate all of its positive effects. Green tea is refreshing, contains antioxidants, increases metabolism, and soothes the stomach greatly.